Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda fire, fire. Obaiza chita nepo. Uko toda fire, fire. Uko toda.
What up, everybody? Welcome to Operation No Chance in Hell. I was gonna miss this. I got notification around, I think it was around 4, I don't remember, but yeah, I got a notification that Tian drops a new song called Tshifhinga featuring Romeo and Venḓa, Prince and Munwali. So when I'm not gonna miss this one. I don't know Venḓa Prince. I've never accounted with him. I've never listened to him. Munwali, I've listened to him a bit, but not much. So I only know Tian and Romeo the greatwhite. And yeah, let's get to it, man. Tshifhinga, let's hear the message. One thing I know that Tian never disappoint when it comes to music. He is Mr. Hitmaker and doesn't disappoint in beats. Like, this guy is a beast. Okay, sharp. Ndamudivisa chuzi yanga yambo diswika. Achuzi yanga ipedzi Tshifhinga. So this can be a double meaning. I ipedzi Tshifhinga kauswika and I ipedzi Tshifhinga zvita kama fungo watu wafumakazi. I dangerous in kuzona ya kono mone ipedzi Tshifhinga. So it can be a double meaning. Maybe I might be bleaching, maybe. And we have like encountered something like this, like most times aravangana vavaviri oyo anel nakamubona mthi she's ugly ndene na wori utonga ngamanda, like ndene na wori ngasimufale to ndene na wori namsi nichikwamba na muntu futhi ndaba nani ngonamba 9 blah 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 blah. So yeah. Uchiwamba kwamba kwamba zwa bambeloni kula bambeloni kati kwamba zwa bambeloni. I think he's talking about bambel, like, you know what it is, like umuthi chamboli apala nyo wa bambeloni nkongwana ti apo kwamba ngamarawa bathu basho. This guy are talking about asses. And now I was thinking Tshifhinga kudora kolaiwa vanhu vakwamba ngantu ngamarawa. So shangudi Sabambelo ndopera rwachino. I think he's talking about, how big it is, the stadium. Oyo ndi Romeo the greatwhite. Romeo the greatwhite. Let's go. You see, this is creativity at its best. Cross ya kwambo and ndobidza bra yanga namba swika ipedzi Tshifhinga. Yo antu Romeo namde ndotoro swika Tiana amusumba. So ukuyisa phanda mapunga kwamba nga Tian. This is creativity. That's what kuziyamba like ya black novel. Hofuna prefix or gender kaila verse like best male best. As a gender something like that is male best kumuita, I mean no ngwana. So yeah, that's creativity. Amusumba arisa. Tiana. Afuzi debanga manda ori tipedzi Tshifhinga. Tá duro. O combo camarão, não desviamba.
mufara piki achadiva nari aveka iwiki.
Nandi mufara piki nditogwa mangwana lazinafe muro atutupula nditogwa ndi mufara piki achadiva nazvo uri upfi achadiva nazva uri wigi guy. Oh, come on man, come on, tell me mood a singer Venḓa. Come to comment up as name buzine a singer Venḓa. I'm talking about Venḓa singers. Rock Miss K atkomba umrapper atkomba ba imbi bo Miss K rokatira bo Ramsey bo ani abo una uyanwala pen game yawo is strong ufana na Romeo ane pen kwamba singer page ane pen game is strong ufana Romeo. This guy is a beast when it comes to pen game.
Achadiva nari aveka iwiki.
Avodola quick. Uvodola quick. Fafa. Sanitizer chiprit. I wonder the others are quicker so fafa. One of a sharp and I mean as well take a mean. So she's the Romeo at the peaky. Romeo. Yeah, go on was a wicked guy.
Engetani volume wapoka TV Sabambero ndo bubera ndarwa chini Ufune sabadi ziplaka konwa nini Tofo before marriage chesini Ati fancy finger I pull up She was like in Danny Diba Mara Diba Ngati Someone beat Mr. Officer
Okay.
Tada chimu fara
So Venḓa Prince in the Mr. Office, I remember this guy Mr. Office we are doing an so I think in the end, I think in the end, let's go.
Someone beat Mr. Officer Tada chimu fara My nigga para fuha sundi karakal Alicho kipengisa bodia with the fara Asura rata on the toughest street Let's be the streets Raps diva prince She know I'm the king I know how not to afford
Last diva, I'm the Diva Prince. She know I'm the king. You watch. No Prince, no I'm king and did that then. Huh? I'm
Diva prince She know I'm the king I know how not to afford Kata chipanga musinga Engetani volume wapoka TV
Woo! It's reckon on my fungo match. This is fun.
Sabambero ndo bubera ndarwa chini Ufune sabadi ziplaka konwa nini Tofo before marriage chesini Ina chuzi ya Tian ya ibita Wasi divori chitambisi Tshifhinga
Yeah, so everybody hapa uko jina chikwambanga sasa mungana. So I love this creativity. Even though I wish someone over jina kasela Tian achkwamba disappointment, like I'm disappointed or but I love this idea more. And like I'm okay no movie is out like ako isapanda ilani ako peza mapungu atano no movie tisahani I love this idea more. I think that one inenda kwa umra nongo into the other sport. I don't think it was going to work and I'm sure umra ngazo, but I love this one more.
Wasi divori chitambisi Tshifhinga Madarushika Karabana banonuka lochiswa malinga Indoba wama
Ndofala vana vanonuka lauchiswa malinga. Come on man. Okay, I might be reaching. Ndingaba ndichiko reach too much, but let me just say what I thought about line nichamba ne. Ngamusando chifu kufora malingo kwamba mina uliwa. That to the reason to zifa zo kuti ndachita zo kuti futhi no hango zo ndiya kwamba zo.
Karabana banonuka lochiswa malinga
Ndofala vana vanonuka lauchiswa malinga. So musando chambo ngola ufika lofu kwa mngo for malinga ukoliwa. Apa the track is all about like ndaswika, I'm fast, I don't waste time and everything, see. And then ungakwamba malinga aula kana ukwamba na malinga golo. Okay, na unofisa badi golo nichiro nga vurupa yangai. Anamba sakura ngwana vanamba vadala namba ndo vafanda pedza ngavo nga vurupa yanga. Na vana vo like ende vakufuna mini zviliwa futhi like Guys, man, ula usizilwa zola ndikwamba ula ngongwana ndikwamba ula putet ula malinga aula.
Indaba wamakanda bakosotora Nirukobona nyimumburo nyakotora Nirakrotoma na musi mukusu kotodoba Nakori wayakoriri doveza mu
Nagoro wayagoro doza
Nirukobona nyimumburo nyakotora Nirakrotoma na musi mukusu kotodoba Nakori wayakoriri doveza muroba.
This bar is hard. Mumbuloni ukobana ni okodora. Hango uthoma na musi mukosi ukoto udoba. Ndingani nani kore akudobezwa muroba. So she wants more because guys, man, this thing. Tina namto embo so dobezwa muroba. I don't know what embo ga dobezwa muroba ndinyi, but I think in mukosi. So that a bar. Ili yakubva. Mukosi hango uthoma zvino ukoto udoba. Kongwana. Ndingaza kuti akudobezwa muroba. So this is a nice bar.
Mbumafura nikotosuwa Uruma duvanya zikoshuma Yasara yetatata Yolanda tisiyela muraza Operera na mungana wawe ndisongo babita Zangombe chezori ndibite achuzi ambo disika Achuzi anga ndieri diva haita mbisi Tshifhinga Chamia wotonga padira chiangoriyo bipa Engezani vuno muwaboka TV Sabambero ndolombera ndarwa chini Ufune sabanizi flaka kumanini Lofo before Mary Legacy.
Come on, guys, you can get this song in Apple Music, Spotify, Google Play, YouTube, Deezer, Shazam, everywhere you can get this song. So this is a nice gem. I'm loving this gem. Very beautiful, 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 beautiful. I love it. So yo guys, I'm very, very impressed. You know, Tian is Mr. Hitmakers of Kuma. Whatever Mr. Hitmaker, this guy doesn't disappoint. So there's nothing more to say than other than I'm giving this track. I love the track, man. Tshifhinga una umuntu adalito babeas but ndifuna bathi Tian nami but just listen to his tracks, man. Like the quality, man. The quality of the songs, everything, and so I'm giving this track like 9 out of 10. This is a 9 out of 10 track. I'm loving it. I love this track. Tshifhinga all the way. Tshifhinga, Mirumba, many, they are all everywhere. Tshifhinga, Mirumba, Zibodo. I've read this track. You can go and listen to them. They are very, very amazing tracks. So yeah, this was Tianis here in my side. So thank you very much for watching. Go and subscribe. See you in the next one. We're taking Venḓa on the map. Ngamini nga operation. Ndiwafuna zone.